Okay, last hike of 2019. We're going to try out the Lily Mountain Nature Preserve. It's in Estill County, just over the Madison County border. Not too far, kind of out by Brasfield area in Madison County, but this is what we got. We're the only person out here today. Again, December 31st, 2019, probably about 9:30 in the morning. It's a gray day, but don't have a whole lot of information about this place. You can see a barn out there. Supposedly it's several hundred acres, opened up in 2017, I believe. There's a caretaker's house just off the property back there. But it's windy, it's cold, about 36 degrees out here this morning. But supposedly the trails are numbered, well marked. There's about 8 different trails out here. You can see we've got some mud. Hopefully it's not too muddy out. We've had a lot of rain 2 days ago. But we're going to see if we can't get out here. Again, trails are supposedly well maintained and marked. Looks like pretty wide open field or pasture here, and then we'll head up. Not sure what direction, maybe that way. We shall see, but supposedly there's a couple overlooks, a drop-in cave, and some type of buzzards or eagles roost or nest or something like that, but we'll see what we can get into. See you down the trail. Okay guys, we're out through the pasture of the field there. You can see the barns, the 2 barns back there. Parking lot's just the other side of the barns. None of the trails are marked so far, but if you come just past those barns down the main path, it'll get you back here through the pasture, and I believe our trail markers will start right up here. But so far there's nothing marked, but there's several paths there mowed through the field, maybe for some cross-country running, I don't know. Do some loops. Got a couple houses over there. And you can see it's maybe a trail marker right there. Got us some rules and regulations. Let's see if we can't figure out where we're supposed to go. Looks like some trail markers up there as well. Let's go see what this one says. And there are maps in a box down at the parking lot. That's number 5. We're looking for number 1. But so far, just a nice mowed path. We're going to take number 1 to number 2 to number 3 and then back, I think, to number 8. See how many miles we can get in. Here's our marker to number 1. See where this takes us. Just walking through the Christmas trees. Okay, we've gone about a mile now, not quite. It's just now started coming up in elevation a little bit. It's pretty much a level walk through the field and through the woods until now. You can see we're just coming to an intersection there at Trail 1. And Trail 1 goes back down the hill there, I think, to the caretaker's residence. But we're going to go up to the Overlooks here, up at trail number 2. Can you see that back there? But it looks like it starts going up from here, and from what I read, it's going to be uphill till we get to the next intersection or to the overlook. But we'll see you down the trail. There's where we're heading. Pretty nice out here. Trails are all well maintained. Not a whole lot of mud after all the rain we've had, but we're going to see what we can get into. So as soon as you hit trail number 2, you're going to be doing some climbing. But this is the view we got right at the top of this intersection. We've got trail number 8 coming off there, goes out to Eagles or Buzzards Roost or Nest or something like that. We'll catch it on our way back. But there's our view. Nice not having the leaves on the trees. But right now, looks like trail number 2 flattens out for a bit. Go see if we can find us an overlook. This is what we got. Trails again are well maintained. A little rocky there's where we're coming up. It was steep. Okay guys, trail 2 does not believe in switchbacks. When it goes up, straight up. But looky what we got here at the top of trail 2. Just a sampling there. We're gonna head out to the overlook down this way and we'll give you a better view, I believe. Looky, looky, looky. It is windy and cold, but look at this view. All the way out, I believe that's Madison County there. And I saw it described somewhere as this is where the Cumberland Plateau through here meets the, I think they called it the knob region of the knobs there in the mountains. How gorgeous is it? You can see for miles. There. Be pretty if we had some blue skies out there. That is gorgeous. Sun trying to peek out. I'm gonna get my coat back on. Okay, this is our view here along trail 2. Nice overlook over the valley there. All along this section. Trying to watch where I'm stepping so I don't trip and fall. A few rocks. But all along through here you got the view. And it's level. Running the ridge, I guess. How pretty is that? Here's where we're going. Okay, we're at the intersection here of trail number 2. Our overlook was back That way, we've got the view here off our left shoulder. This is supposed to be trail number 3, I believe. You can see we've got a little bit of blow down to get over. Don't see any trail markers, but there's supposed to be another overlook out this way. We'll see if we can get to. Looks like another climb. Again, I don't see any trail markers. Trail 2 and 1 were both marked very well. We'll see you down the trail. Okay, guys, trail number 3 has no markers, blazes. It's on their map and it's pretty easy to follow, but it's not blazed or marked at all. Follows the ridge line. You can see over our left shoulder. Beautiful views. But it's gorgeous, nice and flat. Supposed to be another lookout up here, I guess. Again, right down into the valley there. Oh, look at that. Found us a little arch to go through. Duck and cover. Okay, guys, look what we found, the drop-in cave. That's towards the end of trail number 3. I'm not going to get too close because I don't want to go down in there. Don't want to lose my phone. You can see some pretty cool formations down in there. I don't know what could be living down there. How awesome is that? See if I can go around the other side, get a little better view here. That's trail 3, probably the overlook over there. Again, I'm not getting too close to this. Looks like it with the camera angle, but I'm a big chicken. Look at that. Can you see down in there? Again, that's not something to mess around with. That would be a pretty good fall, I think. I don't even see the bottom of it. So don't go messing around, but how cool is that? Never know what you'll find. Okay, I'm assuming this is our other overlook, but if the leaves were on, you sure wouldn't be seeing anything. You can see lots of cliffs and ledges here. This is just past that drop-in cave there, trail number 3. Cool cliffs there. How gorgeous is it? Again, trail number 3 isn't blazed, it's on the map, but if you've got like the Hiking Project app or All Trails, pretty sure it's on both of those. Guys, this place is beautiful. Just wish we had a blue sky. I don't mind the cold. We're gonna head back on trail number 3 and go back to trail number 8 up to, I can't remember, buzzards, eagles, roost nest. That's where we're going. Okay, we have backtracked, retraced our steps from trail 3 to trail 2. Got on trail 8 to come out. I looked at the map and it's called Rocky's Roost. So we're on trail 8 now, coming out towards Rocky's Roost, and I believe Rocky's Roost is up that direction, possibly. But we're gonna try and go on number 8 here and see if we can't get a view of Rocky's Roost. We've been on trail probably about 3.5 miles now totally from when we left the parking lot. But this is trail 8. And I think the map says this is 0.83 miles. I assume that's one direction. So we'll see when we get to the end. Okay, I guess this is the end of our trail. Our trail number 8, I guess. That up there. Can't see it, but it's probably Rocky's Roost, I assume. But that's as far as they're allowing us to go. We'll say that's Rocky's Roost. We come down here. Looks like somebody's got a ladder up there in the tree. They use that as a tree stand. But that's the last trail marker I can find. And I don't see anything other than that for Rocky's Roost. So I guess we'll retrace our steps back down trail number 8. There was quite a bit of water in several spots, so this was the worst, but the trail was marked the whole way. We'll head back to trail number 2 and trace it down to either trail number 1 or trail number 6 back to the parking lot. That's what we got. Okay guys, we are now on trail number 6. We've come back down, retraced our steps through trail number 8, retraced our steps down trail number 2. We're on number 6 for about half a mile back to the parking lot. Not expecting any real big ups or downs on this. It's pretty level. You can see behind me, nice wide trail through the woods. This should come out somewhere around those barns, same place we started out. But we're finishing up. Now we've probably gone roughly 4.5 miles so far. Probably make it a total of 5 for the last hike of 2019, but we'll see you back at the truck. Thought I'd bring you back real quick, guys. I am a sucker for some nice green moss. Look how cool that is. All the way back up in there. Kind of a gray day, but that sure shows up nice. Heading out. We also got some nice little creek here. Running right on through. Flowing pretty good. How cool is that? And trail number 6 brings you right back into the pasture here. Parking lot's other side of the barns here. Kind of do a 360 here. Several cut pass through the field here. We're heading back. Okay guys, final recap of our last hike of 2019 out at Lily Mountain Nature Preserve. We did just over 5 miles. Went out trail 1, 2 to the Overlook. 2 was pretty steep going up. Then from the Overlook we went to 3 out to the drop-in cave in the other Overlook. Backtracked our steps from 3 to 2 to trail 8. Went out to Rocky's Roost, what we thought was Rocky's Roost, and then back down through 2 to trail 6 and back to the parking lot here. Again, just over 5 miles. Look, here's our parking lot. Made it back to the truck there. Only 2 other vehicles out there. It's out here for a few hours and haven't seen a soul. So guys, I think this is one of Kentucky's hidden gems here. If you're in Madison County, Estill County, even, Fayette County, Jackson County, come on out. We've got Ravens Run, we've got the Pinnacles there in Berea, and we've got Lily Mountain Nature Preserve. I don't think, again, many people know about this. Didn't see a soul today. So come on out, check this out in 2020, get on the trail, and hopefully I'll see you out there.